It's simple mathematics. Check it out. I revolve around science. What are we talking about here?
We're going to review adding of integers. First thing we need to do when adding is model the first value that we have in our equation. In this case, -4. So we are going to use counters and we are going to draw out 4 negative blue counters. The concept of addition means putting together. Therefore, we are going to put 3 red counters representing +3 with the 4 blue counters. Because of the zero principle, 3 of those blue counters and red counters are going to cancel each other out. 3 zero pairs are going to cancel each other out. We're left with 0. And then afterwards, whatever's left over that doesn't get canceled out, in this case, the 1 blue counter, is our answer. Therefore, -1 is the answer in this case. Notice that when you have more of one color, your answer will be the sign of that color, in this case blue, negative. We're going to do another one here as an example. 3 plus -4. We will model using 3 red counters, +3. Then, again, we will put together the 3 red counters with 4 blue counters. Look for the 0 pairs, which we notice there are 3 0 pairs again. And whatever we have left over is our answer. And you can notice that these two examples result in the exact same answer. Okay, so let's go ahead and do another one. Now we're going to model 4 plus -3. So we're going to model our first number, which is +4, using 4 red counters. We are going to put together 3 blue counters, find the 0 pairs, and whatever we have left over is our answer. In this case, it's going to be positive because we ended up with more red counters. And that is how you model using counters. Now we're going to model using a number line. So we've drawn our number line, and we're going to start at +4 and move 3 spaces in the left direction because we are putting together 4 plus -3. So we are moving from 4 3 spaces in the negative direction. So where we end up is our answer. In this example, we end at +1, therefore our answer is +1. It's important to note that we start at 4 and we move 3 spaces to the left because we are adding -3, adding by -3. We're going to look at subtraction using counters. So here, first thing we're going to do, our number one job first is to model the first value. Okay, the value of the first number. Then, the concept of subtraction tells us to remove the value of the second number. Okay, so we need to, in this case, remove -3. If we don't have enough, or any in this case, you have to add in enough 0 pairs. So we're going to go ahead and do that. I'm going to draw my 3 negatives, and then I'm going to draw my 3 positives to make 3 0 pairs. Now I have -3 blue counters to remove. So I'm going to go ahead now, and the next step will be to remove the value of the second number. So remove the value required, which is -3, and what we have left over is our answer. In this case, +7. So therefore, 4 minus -3 equals +7. Okay, now we're going to start with a number line. Reminder that the second number is the start of your line. So in this case, -3 is where our line is going to start. And I've put it green to kind of give you the illustration of the starting line or the starting position. Model our number line. Okay, so I'm going to put my negatives on the left-hand side of the 0. And then we are going to finish our line at +4. Okay, and so I put a little stop sign around +4. All right, so we start a little green starting line at -3, and we end at +7. The distance and direction of our line indicates our answer. So again, reminder, start at the second number in the subtraction and move to the first number. Important to note, the distance, the answer is the distance and the direction of your line. So here we're moving we're moving 7 spaces. 3 spaces to get back to 0, and then 4 more spaces. So our total is +7. And that is how you model subtraction using a number line.
This simple mathematics. Check it out.